As I rummaged through the attic, I stumbled upon an old, dusty typewriter. Suddenly, it began typing on its own, spelling out chilling warnings: "Stay away from the basement." My heart pounded, but the more I read, the more my curiosity grew. Ignoring the eerie messages, I crept down the creaky stairs to the basement. The air grew colder with each step, and a sense of dread washed over me. In the dim light, I noticed strange symbols etched into the walls and an ancient, locked chest in the corner. As I reached out to touch it, the typewriter's warnings echoed in my mind. But it was too late. The chest burst open, releasing a malevolent force that pulled me into a dark void. The last thing I heard was the typewriter clattering away, now silent, as if it had known all along that I wouldn't listen.